Well, alright, guys, you made it back. I knew you would, because I would too. We are on quarter album number 2 from box 3 from Coin Master. This is what I am calling Quarter Mania. Let me show you why. Washington Quarters Statehood Commemorative. You're looking at 99 to 2003, including proof. And if you didn't watch the first video of the first album from box 3, you need to check that out right now. That is really awesome, and that, my friends, was 2004 to 2008. Let's get started. Alright, well, as with all the Dansco albums, Coin Master has sent me coins in. You get a ton of really great information of what's in the album provided by Dansco here, and these were filled by Coin Master, given to me as a gift. Man, you are too kind, Coin Master. Let's show the people what we have, and let's start with Delaware. 1999. This is the Philadelphia Mint. This is some collection. And there's the Denver. And then we go to the San Francisco Proof. And following that is the Silver Proof. Very nice. And you can see it's got a little bit of glare here. I can move. There's like a, there you see it right there is a little plastic protection over the coins. And you really don't get to see the coin for what it's worth with that plastic on. But man, let me show you. That is really, really nice. And underneath that we have Pennsylvania. The plastic covers both. Let's show you real quick why we have it off. There's that Philadelphia minted coin, followed by the Denver, followed by the San Francisco Proof. Wow, that one is looking really cool. There we go. Followed by the San Francisco Silver Proof. So some very good coins here. Let me go ahead and get this cover back on. Protect these coins here. Alright, New Jersey up next. Take a look at that. P&D. Very nice. Let me, you gotta take a look at the S proof and the S silver proof of this reverse. That is when you can truly appreciate it. Man, here we go. The silver proof. Almost, it's almost too reflective to even see because of the light here. It is just such a clean coin. Alright, and here we come to Georgia. Let's take a look at that. That's a really cool reverse here. And here we go, that S proof, wisdom, justice, moderation. And here we go with the S silver proof. And yeah, man, you can really see it now. Well, you can see my hand there now. Like a mirror. Beautiful coin. Very nice. And Connecticut with this amazing tree is going to end this page here. Let me show you. Here is the Philadelphia minted coin. Next to it here is the Denver minted coin. We jump over to San Francisco proof coin. Very, very nice. and followed by that silver proof coin. Unbelievable, unbelievable collection. Take a look at that whole page. If I could even get it in there. How about that for a presentation? Alright guys, on to page 2. Wow, look at that. Very awesome to see something like this. How cool does that look too? Man, I just love these albums. Massachusetts. See if I can get a good shot here, because there's a lot of craftsmanship into this reverse. There's the Denver minted coin, and there's that 2000 S proof quarter right there. Wow, look at the state, so nice. And then there's the silver proof, and wouldn't you know it, that beautiful golden toning right there. Too cool. Maryland up next. 2000 P&D. $2,000 Frisco proof. And there's the silver proof. The old line state. Alright, South Carolina. Philadelphia. There's Denver. Come on, focus in on Denver. These coins are just so immaculate that if you don't get that perfect angle, it just gets blurred out. The camera just doesn't know what to do. Wow, look at that. Look at that palm tree. Just too cool with that toning. New Hampshire. Let's see. And here you go with the proof. Old Man of the Mountain. Live free or die. Virginia up next. Take a look at that. Jamestown. It is truly amazing what they can do on the back of a coin like this. Yeah, look at that. Let me slide the plastic down a little bit. Look at the detail. Awesome. Too cool. Let me put that back in here and we'll turn the page. Alright, here we go. Always fun turning the page. And New York welcomes us. Statue of Liberty 2001 P&D. Don't forget the S. And the brother, the silver proof. Too cool, man. I am loving it. What a collection. Here's North Carolina. First flight. Gotta love that. Move along to the Denver minted coin. All the way up. San Francisco proof coin. And there you go with the silver. Man, you can really see the detail now. Too cool, man. Here we go with Rhode Island. The Ocean State. 2001 S proof. Silver proof. Yeah, a little golden toning looks really nice on that one. Vermont. Got a really cool couple of trees here without any leaves. Really like those reverses with the trees. Kind of like the nature scenes seem to look the best to me. There's the proof and a silver proof. In the bottom of this page we have Kentucky. Yeah, very shiny, very reflective, very good condition coins. S proof is brilliant. Look at that. Wow. And again with the silver proof. Just look at the 2001 date. The bottom just reflecting my hand with barely any movement. That is too cool. Man, thank you, Coin Master. Look at that. Can you imagine? We got 2 more pages to go. Wow. Take it all in. Look at that. Start off here with the Statehood Commemorative Quarters. 2002. Here we are. Rock and roll here, Tennessee. That's the Philadelphia Mint. Here's the Denver Mint. San Francisco proof coin. And celebrating that musical heritage here in the silver proof. Wow, look at the toning. Got some stars on there. Beautiful. And here is Ohio. Take a look at that. Gotta love that. Who doesn't love that spacesuit there? And just so much history. Let's see. Here we go. A little better. That's a proof coin for you. They are hard to film. And here is a silver proof. Birthplace of aviation pioneers. Look at that. Louisiana. There you go. You can get all 4 coins in there. There is a really good looking Philadelphia minted quarter. Denver minted quarter. San Francisco proof. And San Francisco silver proof. Very cool. Indiana. Now this is a really cool reverse as well. Gotta have that race car. Crossroads of America. Man, excuse me there. The light hit me off of this silver proof on the end. Yeah, I was looking at that Indy car, right? Man. Hard to roll past them so quickly. But, yeah, wow, there's that toning. Alright, and we have for you on this page, Mississippi. Oh yeah, there we go. Magnolia State. Yeah, very nice. Very nice coins. Oh yeah, look at the leaves. Alright, look at that. So cool. Alright guys, this is coming up on the last page here. Illinois. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. Land of Lincoln. Denver Mint. You get that in there for you. There you go. See, 2003 S proof. That is cool. And the silver. Silver proof. 21st state century. Very cool. Alabama. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Philadelphia Mint looking really, really good. Denver Mint. San Francisco proof. Spirit of Courage. And there you go. Looking at that silver proof from San Francisco. And here is Maine. Alright, yeah, look at that lighthouse. It's casting that that beam of light. Reminds me of the sun on the New Mexico coin. The sunburst. Look at that. It's so cool. Got the ships off there in the distance. Alright, Missouri. Okay, there we go. Brought that into focus, and man, does it look pretty. Oh yeah, those proof coins are just something else. Man, oh man, guys. Alright, and Arkansas is going to wrap up this book here on this late night. Very cool. Yeah, look at that proof. And here we go with the silver proof. What a better way. There is not a better way, I should say, to end it than with a silver proof with the golden toning. Look at that. Too cool. Let's take a look real quick. We'll flip the page. Here's the obverse. Mr. George Washington himself for you there. And this row here is the silver proofs, and you can see there's that gold toning there. What a beautiful set. What a beautiful set. I very much appreciate this Coin Master. There's the Denver Mint right there. Philadelphia Mint mark. Very cool, man. Thanks a million, Coin Master. I got one more album to show you guys, and it's probably the one that you've been waiting for all along, and that's going to be from 32 to 98. And if I can keep my voice from being too unintelligible, then I might crack that one open and show you guys tonight. But it's a late night. I just couldn't wait any longer. But I'm just kind of showing you here the cool things that Dansco adds here in the back of the album. All this really cool stuff about nicknames, capitals, the statehood date. Yeah, I can't say enough about these Dansco albums. Very classy, really cool look, and yeah, really well put together. Let's kind of flip through this backwards here, and the next video will also take us back in time. More Quarter Mania, and we're going to make our way back to the very first appearance of George Washington on a quarter. And so I hope you guys follow along with me. Check out that next video to come. Check out the video before this, like I said in the beginning. It's amazing as well. It's another Dansco album, 2004 to 2008, just like this, including proof. Alright guys. It's late. I'm going to push through. Let's do it. Quarter Mania continues. Stay tuned for the next album.